What is good home insurance coverage? A number of people are looking online for their home insurance. Online insurance is in demand these days. It is always better to have some knowledge about the types of insurance quotes that are available in the market. Usually there are two types of schemes available for the home insurance. The first one basically deals with all the materials which are inside the home, such as fridge, television, computer, etc. So if there is any theft in the home, then this type of insurance policy will be applicable. Second one is the one which generally deals with insuring the house itself, which is its structure. So if any kind of damage occurs to the structure, then this kind of insurance scheme is applicable. Almost all the insurance companies offer you both the types of insurance covers, and in most cases if the property is being mortgaged, then the insurance policy will be inevitable. One can take the policy either individually or by combining the content insurance and the home insurance together jointly. Taking a joint scheme will always be giving more benefits to the customers rather than taking an individual policy. Generally, the home content insurance covers all those items which can easily be taken away along with you from a place to the other. And on the other hand, the home insurance policy will cover all these parts of the house that cannot be moved. Generally, it is always better in insuring the home content because there is always a threat of happening a theft or a natural disaster such as lightning or flood. And there are a number of schemes which cover such kinds of possibilities. Every item of the house could be covered under insurance to a certain amount, which depends on their original cost and the depreciation which occurs with time. Generally, it is advised to get maximum cover after considering its total worth, and one should not buy any cheaper policy. A person should go through the terms and conditions of the policy and the details of the claim amounts of every item before signing any contract with the insurance company. More the coverage, more is the amount of the premium that you have to pay. And one must avoid any option so as to reduce any kind of payments in the insurance coverage. So one must take care while going for an online insurance.